how to navigate around your 3D scene. You left click, you select objects or select things in the scene. And that's how you would get the orthographic view. Pretty much this is my day-to-day interaction, but I'm also going to show you how other ways you can see these. Go over here to view, and view is where you'll find all your viewing options. You can frame select it, so that's gonna, whatever you have selected. Another thing you can do is go to area and then toggle quad view. And this is great for if you're modeling an object and you want to see multiple viewing angles, so you can see what it looks like. And you can hit view and then go down to cameras and then select active camera. The image that is going to be created is going to be at this angle, you know, with this camera. And then you can go back into